welcome back to Audrey's Pets. I'm here with my little chicks and my ducky. She's eating something. She's definitely eating something. But I don't know what. Are those beans or something? I don't even know what her name. She looks so alike with her other sisters. I wish I never made any videos on YouTube when my chickens got missing and I got new chicks, and I never made a video about Katie's sisters getting eaten by a fox. Well, at least I told you that. I had to replace my chickens with my new chicks, with my finger go, which are over there. And Katie's sister had to be replaced with those triplets over there. If you guys are wondering, no, I'm never doing a face reveal. Saya.